Whether it's cooking dinner together or doing homework with their 11-year-old adopted daughter Maya, family life has always been a priority for Sarah Dowling and Linda Wolf. But only now, after living together as a couple for nearly 2 decades, can they legally marry in their home state of Maine. It's one of 4 U.S. states to vote in favor of gay marriage in the recent elections.
It was a very exciting night. It was very amazing. Linda and I jumped up and down. Maya was with us. She was ecstatic. And so after 18 years together, we find ourselves planning a wedding, a legal wedding.
Supporters say recent election victories in Washington, Maryland, and Minnesota, as well as Maine, indicate growing public acceptance of gay marriage. While 6 other states also allow it, those laws were enacted by lawmakers or through court rulings, not a popular vote.
Up until this point, the narrative has been judges will impose this, but people won't vote for it, and now people did vote for it. It's a reflection of changes in public attitudes.
Gay marriage advocates have been winning legal battles as well. This court in New York is one of several to rule that the federal law defining marriage as a union between a man and a woman is unconstitutional. Now the United States Supreme Court is being asked to take a stand and decide the issue once and for all. Opponents point out that 30 states have voted down gay marriage.
It would be wrong for the Supreme Court to jump way ahead of public resolution of this issue and create a federal right to same-sex marriage. We saw that as a resolution to the abortion battle back in the 70s, and all that did was spark a culture war.
Even though Linda and Sarah's marriage will now be legal in their home state, it won't be recognized by the federal government, unless the so-called Defense of Marriage Act is struck down.
In our immediate family, there are 12 of us, and I am only, right now, legally related to one person, who is Maya. And so it's craziness to live in a world where you can't be related to the people that you love the most, and that's why it's really important to me.
Do you ever want to play basketball? Any of your friends playing?
They believe, based on the growing acceptance their family has received, it's not a question of if it will happen, but when. Kristen, Saloomey, Al Jazeera.